Hey everybody, Pete Nowaskey here with another Tech Tip Tuesday. And today I would like to talk about our Nowaskey FXR specific rear shocks. So these shocks are available in our dual adjustable version. And the first thing that I want to point out here is why we have an FXR specific shock. So as you can see, the FXR swing arm has a unique mounting point here for the bottom portion of the shock. So as opposed to it bolting to the outside of the bracket like most models, this slides in between the two mounts on the FXR swing arm. So that's what makes this FXR specific. So you can see that the bottom part of our shock here is not like the top. We normally run a large heim joint on the shock, top and bottom, but with this specific FXR style swing arm, that's not possible. There's not enough clearance. So on the top, we have our standard heim joint, and on the bottom, we have a poly bushing, so it will work with the stock swing arm. So that's what makes this FXR specific. So the FXR shock is available in 14-inch because that is the most popular size for an FXR. So another unique feature about the FXR shock is that we have 40 points of adjustment down here. So again, we changed our clicker down here along with the bottom mount. So you still have the same range of adjustment as our standard dual adjustable with 80 points. We've just condensed it into 40 points within that range. So everything else about the shock remains the same as our dual adjustable series of suspension. 100% made in the USA, warranted for life, preload adjustable by hand with no tools, interchangeable springs with no tools, just like our regular shocks, nitride shaft, tattletale O-ring, all the great features except a different bottom shock mount. So if you have an FXR with an aftermarket swing arm, then you don't need this. You can just run our DynaShock, because with an aftermarket swing arm, you have different mounting points. So if you run a stock swing arm on your FXR, you need FXR specific shock. If you run aftermarket swing arm, you can run any one of our great Nowaskey shocks. So that's Tech Tip Tuesday, and that is what makes a Nowaskey FXR shock unique. Get yours today at nowaskey.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.